Dito tayo ngayon sa Aalesund, Norway. Ito yung buong city niya. Ayan o. Kitang kita.
Ik was nu Becky aan het vliegen en Becky zegt zo, ja, kun je brengen some ice? En eigenlijk hoor ik dan te zeggen van, nee, het mag niet, dat is voor business. Maar ik vind het zo kinderlijk.
Yan o.
Ik haal ijs op, huppakee, alsjeblieft, weet je wel. En zij
Tapos yung mga island niya. Katabing island niya. Yun. Naniniwala ka ba? Subsea train yung gamit dyan para makatawid sa kabilang isla. Alright. Alright. Ayan yung cruise ship. Ito na yung buong Aalesund, downtown. Doon pa sa kabilang mga isla. Yan o. Punta tayo ngayon ng museum nila. No? Iwan mo natin yung bus. Okay. And we walk for mga 5 minutes daw siguro, 10 minutes. Ganda naman ang cemetery nila, very organized. Okay, lakad muna tayo.
No roads at that time. Every transiting, all transiting was by the fjords and the boats. So they came to change their products from the farms, meat, potatoes, and vegetables, and change it for salt and fish. And the products from the sea. So this was a very important commercial center. After the Reformation and the Black Death, a lot of people died. By the Reformation, the church lost its influence and its power. So that little by little, the commercial center moved to what today is.
Punta na tayo sa museum. Okay. Daming bata. Lalaro sila rito. Alright. Yan o. Pasok tayo ngayon dito. Mga bahay nila. Mga luma na, no? Ito mga bata. Alright. Ito pala yung ano to eh. Sa mga hayop to eh. Mga dayami pa. Mga dayami yun eh.
As you can see, first of all, the building you enter is very low. And there are maybe some reasons, because one, the material not require so much material to construction material. But I think the main reason is to keep the people inside. And you're asking about the roofs, the grass roofs. That was the way of roofing the houses, the barns, the storehouse, warehouses, at that time. And it's covered with birch bark. You can see the yes.
Okay.
Covered by birch bark
Ano, talagang mga may damo-damo to. Ayos ah.
The poorness in Norway 200 years ago was so cruel that to make use of everything, they lifted up a goat to the roof to eat the grass.
That makes sense.
You will see when you enter a house a little down there, you will see it was so cool that it's difficult to imagine big the way they live.
How do they do it today?
Well, today we have all the modern things, but it's proved that the pitch bark roof and the soil can last as long as a modern roof.
Ang ganda naman ng bahay na to. Ayan. Ang presko, no? Nakakatuwa. Nice house. Right, pasok tayo para ma-check natin yung bahay. Ayan. Ang daming bata kanina. Parang park na nila to eh. Dito yung mga old house, preserve nila. Hi! Pabait ng mga bata rito. Huh? And this is their park. Hey! Yeah. Yung mga bahay nila, oh. May dumo. May halaman sa bubong. Old houses of Norway. Typical house, no? So, it lasts about century. Ini-preserve pa nila, no? Titibay na kahoy yan.
So they crossed the North Sea several times, and that's why it's
Mga Viking ship, oh. Dito nila ginagawa. Ayos, ah.
then we can go down to see the
Dito nila ginagawa, no? Ano? It's nice. Yan, no? Ford boats.
made a replica.
Ito yung mga bangka nila dati, no? Laki, oh. The good way to take a picture is go on the top and you see all the... Yeah. Wow, this is nice. See? Good there. Very good. I'll go on the top. Yep. This is very nice. Pagawaan pala nila to ng ano, mga boat, Viking boats dati, parang ano, mga replica. Okay, ganda, no? It's good. Ito pala, maraming mga Viking ano pa dito, Viking style boat. That's it. ginagamit pa nila dati. Habang yung mga sagwan yan, no? Pero yung kahoy na kahoy. Alright. Nice.